Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing Jowar weight loss smoothie recipe. This healthy smoothie is easy to make, does not contain banana, dairy milk or added sugar. Super easy to make and an ideal healthy meal for weight loss and weight management. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my cast iron kadai, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons sprouted jowar flour, and I'm lightly roasting the jowar flour on medium to low flame. Jowar, also known as sorghum, is a highly nutritious millet and it is completely gluten-free. Jowar is a summer grain and it helps to keep your body cool. It's a rich source of fiber, and the high fiber will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. Thus, it helps in weight loss and weight management. Being a complex carbohydrate, jowar gets digested slowly, hence ideal for those with health issues like PCOS, thyroid and diabetes. It's a rich source of protein and it's a powerhouse of essential vitamins, antioxidants and minerals. It's loaded with good amounts of calcium, copper, zinc, phosphorus, potassium and cell-building B vitamins. Once lightly roasted and the color has started to change, turn off the flame and transfer to a plate. Allow this to completely cool down. While the jowar atta is cooling down, I'm slicing 1 medium-sized apple. Okay, I have roughly chopped the apple and I'm going to keep this aside. Into my saucepan, I'm adding in half cup water. And I'm going to allow this to come to a boil. Once the water starts to boil, reduce the flame to the lowest and add in the roasted jowar atta. Give it a stir. And once nicely cooked, turn off the flame and allow it to cool down completely. The best thing about this recipe is that you can always make ahead this and allow it to cool down completely, then store it in an airtight glass container. And you can refrigerate it. So when you're planning to make smoothie, you just need to take 3 to 4 scoops of the cooked jowar atta and add it into the smoothie. This way it's an ideal way to meal prep, especially on those busy days. Add the cooked and cooled jowar atta into the blender jar. Add in the chopped apple, 1 glass of water. For sweetness, I'm adding in 1 soft medjool dates. Medjool dates are really soft, hence I'm adding it directly into the blender jar. If your dates are not soft like mine, you may need to soak it at least for 10 minutes and then add it into the blender jar. 1 tablespoon chia seeds for that extra omega-3s, healthy fats, protein and fiber. Freshly ground cardamom powder. This is seeds of 3 cardamoms. For healthy fats, I'm adding in 7 to 8 overnight soaked almonds. I'll be peeling the almonds and adding it into the blender jar. Now a word about soaking the almonds. Soaking almonds overnight helps to release the phytic acid content in almonds, which will help in better nutrient absorption. Now instead of almonds, you can use any nut of your choice like maybe walnuts or even cashew nuts. Add in the soaked and peeled almonds. I'm going to blend this really well. Pour the blended jowar smoothie into a serving glass. Top it with some sliced almonds and sprinkle in a little bit of freshly ground cardamom powder for an added flavor. And my super healthy jowar smoothie is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy jowar smoothie recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.